Meaning of eject.
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 Eject. Eject means to forcefully expel or remove something, particularly from a device or container. This action often involves a mechanism or button that triggers the ejection process. For example, ejecting a CD from a computer's disk drive involves pressing the eject button, which causes the tray to slide out and push the CD out of the drive. Ejecting a USB drive from a computer involves clicking on the eject option in the File Explorer window, which safely removes the drive from the computer's USB port to prevent data loss or corruption.